Hey, what's up? It's your boy Vashon, and today's video I'm going to show you how to find profitable items to sell on your Amazon FBA store. I go straight to sell, and what I usually do, I try to find stuff that are selling for 3 times the prices. But we're gonna just find something right now. So let's go to the lowest price first, and then we start finding some stuff. Now, straight off the bat, I see this My Little Pony doll here. Let's check. This is £5.20 and it was selling for £13. So let's see how much it's selling for on Amazon. Let me just click into it. Why I click into it, so when I go onto Amazon, I can check that the picture's the same. So we copy this title here. We go over to Amazon. Paste it in, we search, and hopefully we should see something. So it's pretty much selling for the same price, but I just want to dig a bit deeper to just see something. And we go to Prime. We just want to compete with Prime sellers. So basically, as you can see, someone's selling it for £17 and £15, which it would be profitable. But just say for argument's sake, we are gonna sell it, and we can sell it at the top end of £17. We can check this item by getting the ASN number, copy it, we pull it into the Amazon calculator, which is a free resource from Amazon itself. Okay, so basically it's showed me the item. It's already listed. Amazon fulfillment, £17, and then we just press calculate, and it shows us that if we sell it, we'll make £12 profit back after Amazon fees, and we've paid £5 for it, so we take it. So it's like £7.70 that we've made profit on the item. If we was to buy it from, where were we? We buy it from here for £5.20, list it on Amazon for £17, and we can make £12 profit after Amazon fees, and then we take away minus the price of the goods at £7, over £7 profit. There are loads of items that you can shop for. Like I say, I go into the clearance, always go into clearance and find out because mostly as well what's in the clearance, after they've sold out, there ain't no more, so it'll be a sought after item on Amazon. If it's selling for 3 times the price that you paid for it, so like I say, if you paid £10 for the item and it's selling for £30, you know that you're gonna win after Amazon fees, and that you're still gonna walk away with more than double what you paid for the item, which is like over 100% profit. Finding items on your local online stores, or even in the local store, because these stores are local. You can go into pop into Toys R Us, find stuff. You've got an Amazon app. If you're an Amazon seller, you've got an app that you can scan the item, check the item, the price of the item. It will tell you how much it's selling for, and then you can work out if it's profitable. Like I said, just that 3 times rule. Now this is researching on your PC or at home, but you can also do it mobile by going to the local stores and just scanning stuff, knowing that they're not restricted and that you can sell them onto your website. I've been selling on Amazon for quite a while, and I've set up quite a few stores for myself and for a few of my students, and they've been crushing it. But what I do find is that people who are rarely making the real numbers, I mean like the 100 grand a month, the millions a years, is the ones who have got multiple stores throughout the world, which is globally on Amazon, which is in America, and Canada, also Europe, and they've also got India. Facebook supports where you can speak to other sellers and everything, but it's just getting started, finding items for less than nothing and getting it out there. And this is another income that you could have coming in. I'm gonna close this video out now, but it's your boy Vashon Patterson telling you to invest smart, invest in freedom. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget, get that dough and get started today. Thanks.